All right, fourth grade. Let's try that one more time. Ready? Yeah, that was great. So today we're gonna do, there we go, this Eagle song. Let's do this so you can see it.
cannot see it. I can't see it.
There we go.
For a western sky.
I'll make it so that we can see it in this.
Circle. As he flies.
Yeah, just a minute. So this song is called The Eagle. We're gonna go over a couple things with this song because there's kind of a funny rhythm in here. Can someone point out a rhythm that looks like something you're not really used to? What?
Like something upside down.
So the one I'm going for is this second measure where the words are above western sky. Do you see something weird about that rhythm? What is it?
Like it's west and earth.
Yes, what about, I know what you're saying, but can you say that, what's weird about the black notes on the staff?
Oh, this weird sound. The things after like sky.
Kind of. So the quarter note comes after 1/8 note, doesn't it? Instead of you having 2/8 notes and then a quarter note, or a quarter note and then 2/8 notes, you have 1/8 note and then a quarter note, which is something you guys don't really see that often, right?
Well, I see that.
So let's try something. You'll see. This is it. So you guys count with 1 and 2 ands, right? And Mrs. Nelson. All right. So if we clap this all together while we're counting, it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Everyone together. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Right? So those are just 8 notes. So let's do it one more time, 8 notes. Ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Good. So, do you know what a tie is? Who can tell me what a tie is? Yeah.
It's a different definition. And I know what you're looking for.
That's okay. Do you want to try and tell me what you think it is?
Sorta. Like, it's
Or do you want me to
something you
call
put
it
around your neck. Yeah.
No, that's not it.
I know, it's
What
different
do you think it is?
It's when, what was it again?
A tie?
Oh, a tie is, wait, I didn't know that.
That's okay.
Tie?
What is it?
The ties, maybe. So like the tie. The tie.
That's okay. I'm going to tell you. So this is,
I
a
think
tie
it's-
is when you connect 2 notes together and make them 1 note.
That's what I was gonna.
Yeah. So we're going to tie these 2/8 notes together, and we're going to try and clap that.
That's my thing. I do piano.
Okay. So when you tie these 2/8 notes, what count do we not need to say?
And?
2. So we're going to erase the 2. So it's going to sound like this.
1 and.
1
And
and
2.
3 and 4 and. Let's try it all
Yeah,
together.
I do the piano.
All together. Ready? And.
1 and 3 and 4.
Good. So then if you look up here on the Eagle song, the second measure, we have this rhythm followed by, what is that? This note with the white head.
What? Where?
Or I'll draw it up here. What is this note right here?
Oh, I see it.
It's a half note,
Yeah.
right?
Very good.
So if I replace these 8 notes with a half note, we pretty much have the same rhythm as the second measure up there, right? So let's clap that. Ready, and 1, and 3, and 4, and. Right? One more time. Ready, go. 1, and 3, and 4, and. Good. Pretty close. So, I'm going to play this song for you up here. So, follow along with the rhythms and the words while you listen to the song up here. We're going to use a record today because the CD is missing. I'm going to pause it right there because we're not going to go on to the last part yet. Okay, so let's read the words for a second together. It's born for a western sky, sweeping a circle as he flies.
I can't see.
Well, that's why I'm reading it for you. So second verse, you have brave and a hunter's son. The land was his till he met a gun. Third verse, there on a mountain high, wounded eagle wants to die. It's pretty sad. 4, dreaming of days gone by when Indian children watched him fly. So what's the mood of this song?
What?
It's pretty sad, isn't it? Because the eagle gets hurt, and then he can't fly anymore. He's wounded, right? So who can tell me what culture the eagle is most significant to? I already called on you a couple times, so what do you mean?
I think he's most cultured to the Indians.
Yeah, the Native American people, right? The eagle is super important to the Native American people. What does he represent to the Native American people? There's a few things. What?
Freedom.
Freedom. What else?
Bravery.
Bravery. Yeah. What else? Huh? Do you have an idea? No? Okay. So, freedom, bravery, honesty, truth, courage, all kinds of stuff. So, this bird is a big deal, and he's a big deal because he represents a lot of really good things, right? So, what makes this song so sad then?
When you get hurt.
What?
How he gets wounded and all those people.
Yeah, he's really important to them, and now he's hurt, right? So it's a big deal. So we're gonna listen to the song, and I want you to try and sing it along, and try and make it sound when you sing it. Try and make it sound sad, like you're sad for the eagle. See if you can make a difference. I don't want to hear crying, but I sing it like it's sad. All right, I'm gonna start it again. Go ahead and sing along with the recording. I'm going to start it in the right spot. So our record player is not working the best right now. So let's sing it together kind of slow, okay? You think you kind of have an idea of how it goes? No?
I can't even see.
All right, let's sing it one little bit at a time. So first I'm going to sing the first part. Born for a western sky. Ready?
Born for a western sky.
Born for a western sky. Ready, go. Born for a western sky. Good. next part. Sweeping a circle as he flies. Ready, go. Sweeping a circle as he flies. Let's try all that. Ready? Born for a western sky, sweeping a circle as he flies. Ready, go. Born for a western sky, sweeping a circle as he flies. Good. Next part goes. He was free. Ready? Ready, go. He was free. Good. When they let him be. Ready, go. When they let him be. Good. So let's try and sing that whole chunk all together. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go. Born for a western sky, sweeping a circle as he flies. He was free when they let him be. Good. Let's go on.
Sad because the first verse sounds like it's good.
The first verse is pretty happy, right?
Yeah, so how come we're singing it sad?
Good point. That's a really good point. So each verse is a little bit different. So this first verse, let's go ahead and sing happy. All right? Let's do it one more time. We'll all sing it really happy. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
Born for a western sky, sweeping a circle as he flies. He was free when they let him be.
Good. All right, so the second verse is a little bit less happy, right? Because it's not really sad yet, but it's not happy anymore either, okay? So let's find a middle ground.
Like how you normally sing.
Sure, let's go with that for right now. So, second verse, brave and a hunter's son. 1, 2, ready, go. Brave and a hunter's son. The land was his till he met a gun. He was free when they let him be. Good. So third verse, what's the third verse now? The third verse is really sad. So let's sing it sad. What are we gonna do to make it sound more sad? That's fourth grade. That doesn't mean talk. That means raise your hand. What do you think? More of a what? A calm voice. Yeah. What do you think?
Slowly.
A little. Do you want to take it a little slower? That would make it a little sadder. What else? Any other ideas? All right. So let's go with those for right now. Let's make our voice a little calmer, maybe quieter. We'll take it a little bit slower. Third verse. There on a mountain high. Ready? 1, 2, ready, go.
There on a mountain high, wounded eagle wants to die. He was free when they let him be.
Good. So there's a big difference, right, in the way that you sing that when it's not as happy, right? Good. So, all right, so let's sing it again. This time we're going to sing it all the way through, okay? So we'll start with the first verse, which is, what's the first verse? No, what mood is it? I should have asked. Happy. What's the second one?
Kind of in the middle.
Kind of in the middle. We're not sure yet. What's the third verse? It's really sad. Let's sing all three. We'll
And
just
then the
go.
last verse is happy. Sort of.
Yeah, It is. Do you want to do the last verse before we try it all together?
Yeah.
All right, let's do the last verse. And that's happy again. Sort of. So maybe not as happy as the first verse.
Because he's dreaming of that happening.
Okay, so dreaming a little bit happier. Fourth verse, dreaming of days gone by. 1, 2, ready, go.
Dreaming of days gone by, when Indian children watched him fly, he was free. When they let him be.
Good.
What about that last one that says it was glad without a threat?
We're not going quite that far right now. We're just going to do the 4 verses at the beginning. I know, sorry. So let's do, okay, let's do this beginning part, all 4 verses in a row, and I want to hear your mood change with each one, okay? Starting at the beginning, Born for a Western Sky. 1, 2, ready, go.
Born for a western sky, sweeping a circle as he flies, he was free. When they let him be.
Next verse, ready, go.
Brave and the hunter's son, the head was his till he met a gun, he was free. When they let him be.
Third verse, sad.
There on a mountain high, when dead eagle wants to die, he was free. When they let him be.
Little happier. Ready, ready, go.
Dreaming of days gone by, when Indian children watched him fly, he was free. When they let him be.
Good. Awesome. That's all I have for you today.
What about in the land without friends?
We're not going to go that far today. Thank you, 4th grade. Now it's Mr. Bowman's turn.
Just to be
Okay, let's review our teach